What is up, guys? I hope you guys can see well. I know the last video was pointing down quite a bit, so hoping this one's a little better. And it is daylight, so should be better. So with that said, it's a nice day in the good old valley. So I'm taking a cruise around, trying to knock the roaches off this bike. And I have done a lot to it. Again, besides the bars, now I wired the speakers through the bags. No more pods on the bottom, but I am still running that Bose system I got, the Amazon special. Basically, if you guys will go back in the old videos, you guys can see it on there. And I am still running it, but it does sound awesome. Yeah, I fucking love this bike. Sorry if I'm going like mute a lot of the times. It's just because I'm actually enjoying riding my bike. It had been a while since I'd been able to ride this bike and actually enjoy it. So it's kind of nice to be able to go around the block and kind of ride around. So just cruising around, feeling how the clutch is. So far I don't feel like the clutch needs any type of adjustment, which is what I was worried about at first. But I mean, it's pretty tip top now.